In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Tradovate discount code. If you're diving into the world of futures trading, you probably know how important it is to find the best deals and maximize your profits right from the start. Luckily, obtaining a discount code for Tradovate can significantly lower your trading costs. Let's walk through the steps to secure these valuable promo codes and enhance your trading journey. First, let's explore why it's a great idea to follow popular futures trading YouTubers. Many content creators within the trading community partner with platforms like Tradovate, offering affiliate coupon codes. These codes are a real privilege because they're often updated monthly, providing both old and new traders with fresh discounts. To find these, hop onto YouTube and search for terms like Tradovate promo code, Tradovate prop discount, or Top Step Tradovate discount. By subscribing to a few key channels and checking back regularly, you can greatly increase your chances of catching a fantastic deal. Next, think about the timing of your search. Major sale periods can be a goldmine of discounts. Events like Black Friday, New Year celebrations, and quarter-end sales are known for their impressive markdowns. Futures trading conferences or industry events are also excellent opportunities to snag a discount. These periods generally offer the most substantial savings, so mark your calendar and keep an eye on Tradovate's updates during these times. It can be tempting to jump at the first discount you find, but patience and perfect timing can really pay off in the form of increased savings. Another valuable resource for finding Tradovate discount codes is joining online communities centered around trading. Platforms like Discord and Reddit are bustling with discussions and tips about futures trading. By becoming a part of these communities, you gain access to some of the latest, shared discount codes, even before they make their way to public coupon sites. Often fellow traders will post codes there as soon as they become available. So it's a good idea to engage and contribute to these discussions. Not only will you potentially get codes earlier, but you'll also be building relationships and learning from other traders' experiences. In conclusion, finding a Tradovate discount code is all about being resourceful and strategic. Follow futures trading YouTubers, keep track of major sale periods, and immerse yourself in trading communities online. With these methods, you'll be well equipped to save on your trading expenses and focus more on what really matters, trading itself. Remember, the efforts you put into finding these codes can result in significant savings. So, good luck and happy trading.